Hi guys, so the information reaching me now is that you don't know how to do your brows. Watch this video and we will fix that right now. The first thing we'll do is to carve our brows with a razor, but if you don't know how to do this, go to a salon and they will do it for you. The first thing I'm going to do is to cover the tattoo brows I have on so that we can create new brows from scratch. So now that is out of the way, let's begin doing our brows. So I'm going to start from the lower line and just get a faint outline. Don't go in too harshly because the era of doing very harsh brows is over. So I'm just gonna get a faint line down here. Can you see that? Then I would go to the top, depending on how big or how small you want your brows to be. I'll go to the top and create a line and join it to the line below. Can you see that? Join it to the line below and create a tail. You bring the lines forward a bit. Notice I started the lines halfway, like not from the beginning, halfway. So you bring it forward a bit, the both lines, and then you begin to fill it out. Don't paint it like drawing book, please. Just fill it out as lightly as you can. Just do lines like hair strokes, you know. The next thing I'll do is to try to fill out this front too, but we'll brush out the main front, but I'm just trying to bring it forward as much as I can. And going with your brush and brush this front to make it look natural. The next step is to conceal. So you do this very carefully to make sure you don't mess up your brows, and use a flat brush, can you see, to do this step. So clean it up to the tail and to the beginning. Blend this concealer into your skin. Make sure it's not just hanging on the skin. Please be careful with this step. Blend it into your skin from the beginning to the end. I'm going to clean up the top also, though I rarely do this, but for the sake of this video I will clean up the top using the same flat brush. But make sure you clean your brush and use your foundation to do this top so that it blends in with your skin color. So clean, 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 clean. Then clean your brush off the excess products and just blend in that foundation into your skin. Clean up the under again if you need to. And just like that, you've done your brows. If you get to practice this, please share with me and I'd love to see your progress. Bye.